This is the binary bracelets lesson. We are going to code our initials on a bracelet that we can wear.
And show all our friends. You look good.
K and then C. So K has 8 digits.
Binary is a way of representing information using only 2 options. Sometimes people think of this as only ones and zeros, but you can represent binary with combinations of on or off, up and down, in and out, or really any set of opposites.
Hi, I'm Orion, and I program robots here at PlayEye. All computers and robot brains at their most fundamental level are little electronic gates. And when the gate is open, electricity can flow through, and when it's closed, electricity can't. So an example of binary on the robot is the robot's eyes. The robot's eyes are LEDs, and those are lights that are either on or they're off. It's a binary system, one or the other. We can use the lights to represent binary numbers. So if we have a set of robots, we can say that the first robot is the ones place, the second robot is the twos place, the third robot is the fours place, and so on. And that's how you represent a binary number, and the robots will do it with their binary eyes.